Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show to you how to create your own frame using the element that you have on your design with Canva application. So the way to do that, let's go to the tutorial, open your Canva and then open the design that you already have before, or you can create a new design onto it and adding a new elements. And for example, I'm going to adding a new element onto this blank page. I'm adding this element of a map, this one. Let me show you. I'm going to change the color of it, this one. The way to change it onto a frame is just by swiping left your toolbars and click this apps button, and here you just need to open the apps that's called frame maker. Okay, let's type it first, frame maker, then search it. And as you can see, there will be a plenty choice of an apps, but you need to open this one, this frame maker. Click it and open it up. When it's already open, as you can see, like I said before, there will be a two choice of frame creating. The first one is create your own frame by using the shape that this application suggests onto your Canva. And the second part is convert, and because you will to convert your element from your design onto a frame, so we need to use this convert one and click this convert design to frame. And now increase the size of the pixel and don't forget to check this transparent background, then export it. And when it's done, when the apps is done convert your element onto a frame, this is the result that you will get. As you can see, this frame has a same size and same object as the element that I insert onto this page before. And now the next part, if you want to see is it works or no, I'm going to adding a image onto it. So I'm just using this one. And now let me insert it onto the page, and as you can see, it's really works. And that's the way how to create your own frame in Canva application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.